as an IBM Aptiva I restored. It's a Pentium 3 machine, and I've maxed out the memory, and I've also added a flash hard drive. It's a compact flash to IDE adapter to make it fast, but Windows 98, it still boots slow, so I'll just pause the video. Right, so Windows is finished loading. It beeped on the internal speaker because that's what it does when it initializes its driver, apparently. And yeah, it has this internal speaker, and it's not that good, but you don't have to use it. You can connect an external speaker like you normally would. And yeah, here we see the date, 5th of June 2000, meaning it's just over 20 years old. And let's try out the sound. And it plays. Now, there are 3 ways to move files in, essentially to load games, 3 options. Well, possibly 4 if you, depending on how you count. But basically, there's the network adapter. You could attach a network cable, a standard cable, and use Windows file sharing. Also, there's the DVD and CD-ROM drive to load discs. As a 90s game I've put in, it's Duke Nukem. And let's see how it looks. Now Duke Nukem is spinning up, and yeah, the auto run started, and I could install it, but I won't at this time. So there's the CD-ROM drive, and in addition to the flash drive, which is 8 GB, there's a 60 GB large IDE drive of modern make for games. And we have this removable disk F, and that is a USB drive. Let's see how it looks. There we see it, the blinking thing. It's a USB 3 drive, but of course it only makes USB 1 speeds, which is slow. But it's still a practical way to copy games. You'll have to wait a bit for the copy though. And yeah, let's just see that, yeah, I can actually read files off the USB drive. And also, this machine supports DOS. We'll restart in DOS mode. And yes, it loaded the drivers. There we have the sound driver, the CD-ROM driver, and the mouse driver.